turn it. It's a moderately complex piece of kit that she has to use the hydraulics and the power takeoff shaft to run. And the idea is to turn hay to dry it in the sunshine. Rachel's just done this in another small field, but this is her first go on her own with the machine. In the background you can see last year's lovely old-fashioned hay rick as well. So at the end of the run, Rachel's going to have to pick the machine up, turn it and come back in accurately on the next row of crop.